Hello friends, my name is Kaustubh Ramesh Patil. Today we are talking about cells. Cells are the basic cells are the basic building blocks of the living organisms. Living organisms they can be functions into the independently or the part of the organisms making them and the smallest unit of their uh, overview. Types of cells: prokaryotic prokaryotic cells are the simple small cells without a nucleus. Example example bacteria. Endocrine cells are largest, more more complex cells nucleus with a nucleus. Examples are animal, plants, fungi, or protein or proteid cells. Second, cell structure. Cell membrane, plasma membrane, or lipids bilayer that are enclosed in the cells, controlling the movement of the substances and the out of the cytoplasm. Plasm cytoplasm. Jelly like substances within within the cell membrane, containing organized and the and the organized and the nucleus contains the cell's genetic minerals, DNA, and control the cell's activities. Oxygen in energetic cells. Mitochondria, pro powerhouse of the cells, produces energy, ATP through the reproduction. Ribocytes of protein synthesis. Uh, end of opimic opimic end of the opimic suddenly with the ribosomes involved in the protein synthesis and the modification of involved in the lipids synthesis, or dextration of apparatus, modified packaging proteins and the lipids for the secretion of low within the cells. Lyo so means contains enzymes for uh, for the digestion of the wasting removal of chlorosense in the chloroplast. In the plant's cells, site of the phosphate synthesis, sunlight into the energy storing bodily that can be stored nutrients, waste production, or the minerals of cytoelectron of electron nu- of proteins, fibers, micronutrients, micronutrients and microorganism of providing the structure, support, shape, and aid of the movement. Third, cell functions. Energy produces cells, converts nutrients into the energy, ATP, through the cellular respiration in mitochondria, or photosynthesis, protein synthesis. Ribosomes translates genetic information into the proteins, which perform various functions within the cells. uh, reproduction cells reproduces through the process for the growth of repair and meiosis of sexual reproduction of cell communicates with each other, and the chemical signal receptors transport molecules across the membrane through the possessive diffusion, osmosis, or active transport, using energy. For cell cycle is intracept of phase, class, growth, and normal functions. Phase DNA replication. G2 phase, preparation from mitosis. Preparation from mitosis, prophosphate, metaphosphate, adenophosphate, telophosphate. Cytosis, division of the cytoplasm, resulting to daughter cells. Fifth one,